At the edge of a quiet village lived a young boy named Aarav who loved watching the tall mountain that stood beyond the fields. The mountain seemed enormous, with its snowy peak touching the clouds. Every morning, Aarav wondered what the world looked like from the top. One spring day, he decided to climb it. Aarav packed a small bag with water, fruit, and a warm sweater. The path up the mountain was long and steep. At first, he walked quickly with excitement, but soon his legs felt tired and the path became rocky and difficult. Halfway up the trail, Aarav sat on a stone to rest. While catching his breath, he noticed a small mountain goat carefully climbing the steep rocks nearby. The goat moved slowly but never stopped. Step by step, it found safe places for its hooves and continued upward. Aarav watched closely. The goat was not fast or powerful, but it was steady and brave. Even when the rocks were sharp and the slope was steep, the goat simply took another small step. Inspired, Aarav stood up again. Instead of worrying about the faraway peak, he focused on the next step in front of him. One step became another, and another followed after that. The trees slowly grew smaller below him, and the cool mountain air brushed against his face. The climb was still hard, but Aarav kept moving just like the little goat. After many small steps and quiet moments of determination, Aarav finally reached the top. The village looked tiny below, rivers shined like silver ribbons, and the clouds drifted gently around him. Aarav smiled proudly. He had not reached the mountain with giant leaps or great strength. He reached it with patience, courage, and many small steps, just like the mountain goat who showed him the way.